Welcome back, guys. This is Az from Home Style Cooking. Today I'm bringing mouth-watering baked chicken with potatoes. So today I'm making it with a different style. A lot of people make it a different ways. I'll be using a slightly different way, which is my way of cooking. So I've used two baby chicken to prepare this dish. For spices, I've used 1.5 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1.5 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs, which is thyme, basil and parsley, and 2 dried chilies I'll be using. Along with that, I have 1 tomato, 1 full onion, half a lemon, a bit of coriander and parsley, just a handful, and 8 to 10 potatoes, which will be boiled separately in butter, and then it will go with baked chicken in the oven. To prepare this dish, I will also be using 2 tablespoons of oil, and that will be all grinded in this grinder, and I will show you how we're gonna mix everything. And also I've used 5 tablespoons of yogurt. So guys, as you can see, this paste is ready now. So all I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start massaging the baby chicken. Don't forget to wear your gloves, because everything is gonna go in your nails and the smell will remain for long. So just make sure you are dipping this chicken properly in this masala. You know, it needs proper massaging, and it needs to be dipped for around half an hour before it goes in the oven. Okay, so before it goes in the oven, that's how we can place in the tray. So both the baby chicken surrounded by potatoes, boiled potatoes with butter and salt, and I've also added Turkish pepper, but I've tried to burn it over the stove so you can see the color coming on the Turkish pepper. So it gives a nice taste altogether when it goes in the oven.